Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and the last video you guys really loved it. You dropped some amazing comments. That's why I decided to do a part 2 of that video where I show you guys how to create some amazing melodies. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on these beats. All right, so quickly I'm just gonna be using a tempo of 94 BPM. Let's turn on our metronome so we hear what that BPM sounds like. Yeah, and then the next, what I'm quickly gonna do, I'm just gonna play some nice chord progressions. I'm gonna be using let me just replace this. I'm gonna be using contact 7. So let's go to Songbox. So let's create our first pattern, which is gonna be our guitar chords. So quickly I'm just gonna put that on my playlist, and I'm gonna be playing on the key of C, which is all white keys. So I'm just gonna arrange my notes. I'm gonna be using major 7s and minor 7s. So let's just start on the first. So quickly I'm just gonna arrange the notes. Let's just go this and so basically all I'm just playing around with is this is F major 7th, or just basically F major 7th. So but I'm taking away this note, I'm playing it an octave high, because basically this was supposed to sound like, yeah, but what I'm doing, I'm just taking it an octave higher. So it sounds like this. Yeah, so that's on that way you can create your melody, just taking the middle note an octave higher. Then the next one I'm gonna go to my E minor 7th. It does the same thing, Yeah. Then go to my D minor 7th. Nice. Then the last one I'm gonna go to my C major 7th. So that's basically the chord progressions, the chord progression we're gonna be working with. Yeah, some nice jazzy chord progression. So the last video I talked about, just using your basic major chords, your major triads to create nice melodies. So for this one, I'm using the major 7th and minor 7th. Yeah, so we have a nice chord progression. I'm just also gonna layer this, and I'm gonna be using Omnisphere. Go over the sound. This is what it sounds like. I'm just gonna turn off this B, because this is what the B sounds like. Just some noise. So I'm just gonna turn that off and just use only the A. I'm just gonna bring down the sustain down, bring down the release a little bit. Then I'm just gonna turn out the echo. So let's call this chord 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this same chord, go over to chord 2, and just paste it. So this is what it sounds like. But I'm just gonna go down an octave. Let's go on that octave. Yeah, but I think I'm just gonna work on the decay. Yeah. So let's put that together. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is to play same chord progression with my electric piano. So it's just good to layer your chords. It gives it a very good texture, give it like a nice feel. That's just how I explain it. So I'm gonna create on that pattern, and I'm gonna be using Lounge Lizard. I heard someone saying Lounge Lizard should make me the ambassador. Yeah, they should, because I always use Lounge Lizard. I don't think there's any tutorial that I don't use Lounge Lizard. I'm gonna just quickly go to this second preset. I love the slow attack it has. But just strum it. So it's the same chord progression, but this is now strummed, so it sounds like this. So I just strummed it, and you can do that by just doing Alt S. So Alt S is just gonna strum it. Yeah, so let's just layer that. So yeah, so then there's this vocal sample that I had on this pack called Grammy Dreams. But this vocal now is in the key of I think B flat minor, and I'm actually playing on the key of A minor. So I'm just gonna first off just tune the vocal, bring it down -100 cents, and let's just try to put it on on tempo. So I'm just gonna stretch it and just drag it a little bit. So it's now on tempo. So let's see if it works. You know yourself and the love that you stay down, never turned your back. Yeah. On me, on me. Yeah. Nice. You know yourself and the love that you stay down, never turned your back. Nice, nice, nice. So you have a vibe. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use that part too. Yeah, vibe, guys. We have a vibe. Yeah, so I could start quickly start bringing in the drums. I'm just gonna start with this rhythm. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with this. Let's see. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, vibe. So I'm just gonna put my soft clipper just to keep everything in check. So we're already having a bounce, guys. So I'm just gonna go add some nice conga. All right, so let's go with the conga. Yeah, I think I like this. Then next, I'm gonna add some nice bass. So for the bass, I'm gonna be using sub boom bass. So for my sub boom bass, I'm gonna be using a Johnny in bass and more. You guys know that bass now. So let's go with our bass. Yeah, so let's have it. Let me extend it. An octave. Yeah, so yeah, just something like that. So let me add on an octave here. So I'm just gonna bring this down an octave. No, sorry, just bring the velocity down a little bit. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select the whole bass and just just shift it a little bit so it has a nice swing, just a little bit. I'm just gonna increase the electric piano a little bit. note section, and I'm gonna be using this Soul Vortex. I think that's the name. Solar Vortex. Yeah, I'm liking that. Then next I'm gonna just try to bring in some more melodies. Let me go to Triton. Yeah, so for Triton I'm just gonna go to the lead, you know, just see some. I'm gonna take this melody out. Let's see. Yeah, nice. So I'm just gonna render this to wave effect, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about just, you know, having a lot of reverb on your melodies. It's just gonna, you know, yeah, you know, you can hear it. I'm just gonna put in IM pusher just to give the beat some weight. The IM pusher, I add it on my master boss, you know, just to give the beat, you know, a little bit of weight. So let me add a drum feed. Yeah, well, so this is just, you know, how you can create a simple vibe, and trust me, I'm sure this is a vibe, man. You know, nothing much happening in the drums, so that, you know, the artist's vocals can just come through, man. You know, just imagine like Omale singing on this now, or, you know, Oxlade. Their voice is really gonna shine on this. All right, so let's just hear from the top again, and, you know, hope you got something from this. Yep, so guys, you can see how very easy it is to create, melodies, amazing melodies on your beat. All you just need to do is add a lot of reverb on your melodies, and trust me, if you're doing it right, it's gonna sound really amazing. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and trust me, you'll love this video right here, or this video. Trust me, you are definitely gonna love one of it. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.